What's up, what's up, what's up? Guess where I am? Lake St. Clair. And guess what today is? First day of practice. But you're not watching that video yet because you know why? I got a little bonus video for you. I came up here about a month ago, brought my son Reed, graduated high school, took a little trip, fun trip, catch some big smallmouth with my good buddy, Todd Steele. He's an FLW co-angler in this tournament. And we came up here about a month ago and we did some damage. So this little video is a little get you ready for the tournament videos. This is just a little precursor. We've got the travel vlog, which is going to be awesome, dropping right after this. So Lake St. Clair, we catch some big ones. Thanks for watching. Go check it out. We'll see you in a few days. What's up, fellas? Well, we're back again. Well, we've been here for like 3 days now on Lake St. Clair, dropping some pretty cool videos. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching some of these fish that we've been catching so far. But today, it's all about having a good time, and it's all about catching a lot of fish. Got my boy Reed with us today.
So,
got my other boy Todd hanging out with us. No major challenge today, just catch a lot of fish. Oh, we about got run over by a jet ski. My goodness gracious. Let's go fishing, dude. You ready?
Let's go.
That way. There's one. There's one. Uh-oh. Is that a big rock right there? Got him right by that rock. It's a big rock underwater. That's a good one, dude.
That's a nice fish. I would say that's close to a 4 pound.
Good one.
3.5.
I think he was on a bed.
Poor guy.
There we go. Hey now. Hello, darling. I love these things. These smallmouths are sweet. Right. Yeah, I'm trying to get to one now. There's one. That's a good one too. I got a good one. I got a real good one. Oh my goodness, yeah, look. Tanker. Look at that one. That's a big one, dude. Like a nice one.
Look at the size of that.
Nice. All right. Well, it's two fish. Two fish on this little deal here. Man, I had him hooked. Dude, he wouldn't have got off in 6 years. How about that? How about that, guys? Reed.
Fish.
I'm good. So let me show you what I was catching them on, guys, because that's what today's video is all about. A Ned rig of all things, okay? That's what we're doing. Now, St. Clair's known for throwing tubes, but this Ned rig obviously is something that's really taken off the last couple of years. Looks like about I don't know what they call that size, but looks about a 1/4 ounce Ned rig. Green pumpkin. This is the big TRD. 10-pound fluorocarbon. This is P-line no, not X braid. This is P-line tactical, 10-pound tactical. Little spinning rod. Now what I'm doing here, we're out on this big flat, so you know you're not really casting anything super specific other than just drifting along and trying to find those little bit of some rocks down here, dragging that thing along the bottom, and those fish are picking it up. So not a lot of casting, more like just dragging it along the bottom. But that's how I caught those last two. Oh, there we go. Reed's got a good one. Dude, look at that one, Reed. Oh my gosh. What? Here, hold that.
Yeah.
Hold that. What? Good job. Good job. Same thing, TRD.
TRD.
TRD, baby. Dude, that's a big one, man.
That's a nice one.
A big one.
Like 3.5 pounds.
Yeah. Good job, dude. Is this the same thing I was throwing?
TRD.
Yes, sir. All right. Well, so much for showing everybody a bunch of different lures today. It's kind of turned into the turd show. This is a turd. We caught bass on a turd. Yeah, that's the title of the video, by the way. The title of this video is We caught big bass on a turd. Some would call it clickbait. I would call it truth, because that's what we caught them on.
Look at that. Oh,
You got a big one? Oh yeah. Dude, that's a nice one.
sure.
Look at that, Reed.
Look at that. You get 5 of those, Scott. That's a good size.
That's a 5-pounder.
What?
Alright. So that's a big one.
Look at that. It's past my elbow. There it is.
Pretty good one right here. I got him.
Oh, yeah. Good size that.
Look at that one, Reed.
That's those taters.
They're everywhere. They're everywhere! I bet that's a bed. Right here, Reed. See that dark spot? Throw it right here. Oh yeah, nice fish.
Huh?
Yeah, nice one.
Remember how we just looked and there's
Yeah. Good. Very nice.
I mean, look at that. Elbow to my picture. Or my big.
When you lift it up, Reed, to pull that bait, just lift it slow enough where it's not really lifting off the bottom. You just feel it go do across the bottom. You know what I mean? And then let it sit again, because that's.
Oh, look at you.
Hey, hold that. Hold that. Oh my goodness, dude! That's a giant, bro.
Oh, you use that.
Reed, that's a monster, dude.
Really?
Yeah. He jumped. I thought it was like a 6-pounder.
You beat up by something.
Yeah. Very good. All right. Cool. That was a good one.
Big flat there.
Ruh-roh. That was a largemouth.
That was a large.
I had a largemouth, dude.
Good size largemouth.
That was a largemouth, yeah. How big's that one?
First day I went off.
Look at this. Look at this.
Wow.
Look at this fish. Oh my God, dude.
That's a big one.
We gotta. Whoa. Look at that one, Scott. Oh, oh, look at the size of that. £4, anyway. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
He's got shoulders, dude. One hand. I got one hand on it. I've got no hands on it. There we go. Dude. That's a big one.
That's a big one?
Yeah.
That's a 5. Oh my gosh.
Heavy. Heavy fish.
Heavy fish. Yeah?
4.9. Oh. Look at him. 4.11.
4.11.
4.11, dude. Bye, darling. Bye, darling. Bye, darling. That was good, man.
Thank you. Oh yeah, this is huge, whatever it is. Look at that, I can't even pull him.
You must have him snagged or something.
Oh no.
You must be snagged. He's dogging you out, dude.
I have no idea. Oh,
Dude, he was mad.
I got him deep or something.
Yeah.
Oh no, I
Yeah.
see a jig head.
Still a good one.
Boy, did that fight. I think he was in weeds or something.
Yeah, something was going on with that dude.
Still. That's a nice fish.
Yeah.
I mean, look at that. Past my elbow.
Everything you catch is past your oven. That's nothing different. Yeah. Rock bass. Oh, perch. Big perch. Yeah. That's a sandwich right there.
That's definitely a salmon.
Perch sandwich. All right, let's move on. Let's give it 30 minutes, Reed. See if we can catch several nice fish.
And when you tighten it
Look
up,
at.
you catch one. It's that easy.
Oh man, that's a good one,
You
dude.
went up there.
Dude, it's like, Reed, I'm telling you, dude. Like, this is the craziest thing ever. The craziest thing ever. Let me get the camera. Craziest thing ever. He literally
stood up.
Literally sleeps in the boat, then stands up. Reed, you sleep in the boat, and then you stand up and you catch one every time, dude.
And
I mean, like, cast to catch ratio for you is like through the roof, dude. He's made like 22 casts, and he's caught like 19 fish.
That's how he rolls. Belly on. Yeah, that's
Nice.
beautiful. Yeah. Pull that up to the camera.
Nice.
3-pounder.
Yeah.
You get up and do one cast and then catch a fish like that.
First cast. He's done it like. You've done that like
Describe the feeling of catching that.
20 times, dude. I need to take more naps.
Well, that might hit you.
Whoa. Whoa.
Rock
Dude.
star.
Dude.
Rock star.
He's got you pinned. Oh. Man.
He's a little strong. Hey, man.
That's that not retying thing we talked about. Or he talked about. Yeah. I haven't retied either, so don't feel bad. I'm probably next. It's been a fun day. The only thing different about today is that we haven't used a lot of different lures. And I did say, although I could throw this swim bait. Really? Oh, look at that one, dude. What? Nice, man. Dude, that's nice. Hey, let me get a picture. Yeah, it is a good one. That's a good picture, too. Stay just like that. Well, so far I'm getting my teeth beat in by these two cats. Got her. Got that fish finally. Did it. I knew he was there. I just like, I gotta catch that fish, right? I did. And he's not even that big compared to what you guys. Ooh.
All beaches and stuff. Clean fresh water.
What do I got going on? I knew it. I got one.
Yeah. You got one?
Oh yeah, good one too. Oh!
That thing looks
Oh! Wow, Reed.
big fish. Come here, Reed. Get down there, Reed.
He swallowed. I'll get that out.
It's about a 4-pounder.
Yeah.
3.5.
Ooh. Dude. All right, there. That's a good one. Very good. I enjoyed fishing with you today, man.
I enjoyed fishing with you today.
Awesome
too.
stuff. Todd, you're the man, my friend. You're the man. Thank you so much for a good day, for a good trip. We're going to head back to Florida in the morning, first thing in the morning. It's time to go get some dinner in downtown Detroit, my friend.
Let's go.
Look at that. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And we've got some more stuff coming down the pipe. We'll see you later. Bye!